It's Geekazine's special coverage of TechCrunch Disrupt 2012. All right, continuing coverage of TechCrunch Disrupt. Jeffrey Powers with Geekazine. We're here with Sanjay from Squeak with an extra K in the name, SKQUEAK. And it's actually pretty interesting because, well, why don't you tell us what Squeak is all about?
Squeak is an iOS app right now that lets you add sketch and speak, which is voice, to your pictures so that you can tell a story behind the picture. So you can tell a backdrop of what the story is behind it.
Okay. So basically, I take a picture of you, and then I'll zoom in on that picture, and maybe I'll circle the K on your shirt. And then I'll say, why is there a K there? And I can actually record my voice as I'm doing this. So then, from what I understand on this, you then can send that to somebody. They actually watch that video as you're zooming in and you're circling the K and saying, why is there a K on that shirt, right?
Yeah, that's right. So not only do you record the audio, but you also record the zoom and any kind of gestures that you do on the picture, and in addition, all the sketching. And the output of that is not a video, it's a proprietary format that just saves the images and all the gestures that you did, all the events that you did. And the great thing about that is it's very compact, and it loads really fast.
Yep.
And then the other advantages are that you can interact with it. So once it's playing, you can interact with the player, which you can never do with a video.
So I could make my changes. I could send it to you. You could make a couple additions, or could you actually also delete something, or like if I circled the K, could you uncircle the K?
Yes, and that's what we are planning to do in the future. That's called resqueaking.
Okay. Re-squeaking.
Yeah.
I love
So re-squeaking is a feature we're planning in the future. But yeah, so we're going down that path, and that's why we have this format that's very compact.
I like it. It's very innovative. What type of funding are you looking for at Squeak?
So right now we are bootstrapped, and we're looking for angel type investors, somebody who has the vision that we have, because we believe that Squeak can become a brand just like YouTube. How YouTube was done for video, we think Squeak can become a brand for mobile presentation. So you have pictures and you have video, and we have nothing in between. So we think using audio and pictures and gestures, you can have an interactive mobile presentation platform that can be used. So I think we are trying to brand that.
And I take it it's squeak.com. You didn't have any problem getting that URL, right?
Yes, that's right. And squeak.com is our back end, but also it can be used for viewing squeaks, because when these squeaks are sent out to people, they can view it even if you don't have the iPhone app. You can view it in a browser.
And it is an iPhone. Is there Android coming, or?
Yes, we have Android in the plan and an iPad app in the plans. And as I said, I think right now the big thing is we're trying to promote this as a format. We believe this has tremendous applications in different vertical markets. For example, in telemedicine, when people are shipping pictures, if they can point to things and add audio to it, on the other end, it's a richer way to communicate.
Well, another thing I could think of is I could wrap up a box, and I could take a picture of that box, so all wrapped up, and then I could zoom in, and I could actually kind of do initials on that, and then send that off to you. And you see that the box is ready to ship, and then when you get it, if there's any damage, that's not from my end.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And think about all the other applications like Craigslist or Zillow, where they just put a series of pictures. Yep. It would be great if you could just add audio to it and zoom in and show, hey, look at this couch here. It has an awesome pattern.
Airbnb would be another one where if I'm coming to San Francisco, I'm staying at somebody's house. They can say this is what you can use. This is the towel that you use, or you can put your stuff here or something like that. And then I can actually take a picture and say, this is what I cleaned up. This is how it looks at the end. So.
Yeah, so we envision it can be used for a lot of personal purposes, right? Personal applications right now. But our real long-term play is promote this as a format, and then have enterprise applications, medical applications, and many different applications. And we have an exclusive license from Stanford University for this format. Okay. And so we plan to actually sub-license it, or maybe find licensing partners.
All right. Oh, well, thank you very much, Sanjay, for your time.
Thank you.
There you go, Squeak. It's an uncommon name, but it's got a really cool application to it. So you can check it all out over at geekazine.com. Of course, the YouTube channel is over at youtube.com/geekazine. This is Jeffrey Powers. Check it all out.